Assalamualaikum. In today's video, I'll talk about Firebase and its integration and how we can use Firebase in our Android, iOS, and web projects. So let's start. Firebase is a backend as a service product owned by Google. We can use Firebase in our mobile web apps and games. It provides us different functionalities. Let me name some common functionalities like analytics tools for apps and websites, real-time database and also web hosting facility. We can also integrate Firebase with our common use tools. Big name in the apps and game industry are also using Firebase in their products. You can also read their top use cases of Firebase on their website at firebase.google.com. Let's talk about Firebase integration in our products and how to use standard Firebase admin panel. You will see this panel. You can simply add your project for Firebase by filling out these details. You can enter your project name and you can continue with it. Just go with it and yeah, you can create your Firebase project using this demo. Our project is ready. Just click on continue. Here created the blank project. You can add your Firebase in your iOS product, in your Android product, in your website, and also in Unity games. You can simply click on here iOS, fill out the package name details, and you will get the config file which you can add in your iOS project. Similarly, you can fill out this detail to create your Android project file and also follow the same procedure to host your website. Here's the demo project which is created by Firebase. You can see the analytics of active users, revenue, crashes, performance of your app, hosting details. And from here you can also see the authentication tab. Here's the cloud firestore option. And here's the crash analytics. These all are the facilities provided by Firebase. Even during the testing, we can use the Firebase for our app publishing service. Here's the admin panel of your Firebase. This shows all the statistics of your Firebase app. Go project admin panel. Here we can see our Android app integration, and here we can see our iOS app integration, number of daily active users, a number of reads and write operations on Firestore database, and also the storage we have used so far. And here on the admin panel, left panel side, we can see authentication tab, cloud Firestore, and the storage. These three facilities we are using in our Loteco project. We can see all these emails which are registered in our database. From here we can enable and disable the email password facility. From the template we can write our custom template, and from here we can see the usage of the authentication facility. We can search any user by email. Let's write test@test.com. Here we can see the test.com, and from here's the user UEID. We can copy it from here. We can also reset the password for the specific user. We can also disable the account and also delete the account of the user. And we can also search user through phone number and UUID. Let's copy this UUID. We can paste it here, and yeah, here we can see the user details. We can also add user manually. From here we can type the email and password, and we can log in through these credentials in the Android app or iOS app. From the left panel you will see this. Our user images are getting stored here in users tab. We don't need to change anything there. In our particular scenario of Loteco app, for the courses thumbnails, you can simply upload the thumbnail picture from here. Click on courses tab. You can upload image from here. Click on upload file. Select the thumbnail. It's getting uploading here right now. Okay, so it's uploaded. Click here last modified. Here's our image. We can simply access this image by clicking here. You can see image here. You can simply copy the URL of this image and paste it in the our database image URL field for the course thumbnail, or you can host your any project file or any video or any image on this Firebase storage. Types of databases, one is Cloud Firestore and other one is real-time databases. A real-time database is kind of SQL tree which has kind of nodes and children thing, while the Cloud Firestore works on collection and document procedure. Like we have first one let's talk about Cloud Firestore. We have the collection, it's called contact form. It has document, and a document has also fields. We can simply add another collection by clicking here, just name it and click next, and it will create the collection. Assign the course to the users by simply clicking on users, then selecting the user, and after selecting course sign, we can simply click on add document and type course key, and here we can type the course number. Is it 1 2 3 4, whatever is the course key. Just click on save. Now we have successfully assigned the course to this user. Is we can simply add another course by clicking here add document. Here we can type course id, which is like 1 2 3 4 5. We have already 1 2 and 10. Let's type 5, and here we can add the fields. These are the fields like title, image URL, and so forth. Let's type title, and I'm going to type test. Okay, just save it. Okay, here's the course number 5, and similarly just follow this procedure to add all of these fields: point, module, image URI, free, and category. You can add all these fields using following same procedure. By clicking here add field, you can add the field. And to create the collection for the index, quiz, and video, just simply click here course collection, start collection, and here you can create another course quiz and click on here auto ID, and we can add the title for the quiz like quiz number 1, and just save it. We can have another collection here. Just make sure to follow the same procedure for this. After course quiz, just click on it. We have this one, and make sure to create all these fields: desk number and title, and inside that create this collection called start. And here you can add the quiz details. The quiz details are the following, like answer description, option 2. Make sure to keep these names same, otherwise the database won't fetch the following keys in your app. Just make sure to keep these all keys same, like option 1. Don't make any kind of spelling mistakes. 2 and so on. 3, lesson means the number of lessons this particular course contain, and here's the title of the module. And inside the module, here we have lessons. The following course contains 3 lessons. You can see here it's 3, and the 2 fields there are inside the collection or document: lesson number 2 and lesson text. These are the following 2 fields here. This way you can create course indexes like course lessons, and so you can also add course quizzes this way and course video. So here's the Lothego project, Android and iOS app. It's actually React Native project. Here you can see I have used the Firebase in this project. These were the empty screens because the user wasn't enrolled. Now here's the screens where user was assigned with the course. And yeah, we have 2 courses so far. And these are the Firebase hierarchy. This is how Firebase works here. Modules, then lesson part. And also we have quizzes and videos part 2. I have added 2 quizzes in the database, and I have also added 2 videos in the database. We can see both of them here. Right now the user is not enrolled in any course, so we can send pages.